What's the meaning of chlorine? Chlorine. Chlorine.
Chlorine. Chlorine. Chlorine is a chemical element with the symbol Cl and atomic number 17. It is a yellow-green gas at room temperature. Chlorine is commonly used for disinfecting water in swimming pools due to its ability to kill bacteria and other microorganisms. It is also used as a bleaching agent in the production of paper and textiles. However, exposure to high levels of chlorine gas can be dangerous and cause respiratory problems. Chlorine is an important industrial chemical and has numerous applications in manufacturing and scientific research.